In this video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer data from iPhone 14 to Samsung S24 Ultra. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to give you easy to follow instructions on how to transfer data from any iPhone model that you have to any Samsung smartphone. Even though I am talking about the S24 Ultra and the 14, this process can be done with any other models of iPhone devices and Samsung devices. So in order to initiate this transfer, you will either have to set up iCloud if you would like to transfer it wirelessly, or you can choose the option to use a cable. I would highly recommend using a cable to connect both devices together. That is up to you. If you don't want to set up iCloud and you expect to use a cable, then you can skip ahead. But if you want to set up iCloud and you want to do it that way, then first on the iPhone, go to the settings. You will see your Apple ID at the top. Select it here. Then go into the iCloud settings, and you will see all of the applications, files, documents, and whatever is being saved into iCloud. Choose the option to see all and make sure that you enable the backup of anything that you would like to have transferred. So any sort of application or information, data that you want to ensure that is transferred over, double check to see if it is enabled. After you enable all of the data that you want to transfer, perform a backup immediately before transferring. So you can choose the option to perform a backup manually right here. So you select iCloud Backup and then Backup Now. This will make sure that the backup includes the most up-to-date information for when you transfer over your data. Now, on the S24 Ultra, the S23 Ultra, S22, whatever device you have, go into the settings and find the Accounts and Backup category. Choose Accounts and Backup, and you will find Transfer Data for Device Setup. Keep in mind as well that if you are initially setting up a new device, you will also find the option to use Smart Switch, or you can do this after you are done with the initial setup of the smartphone. It doesn't matter if you already went through the setup or if you are doing this later. So when you choose this option, you will be able to select the iPhone and start the process. So they are going to offer the option for you to connect a cable, which is what I recommend, or if you look at the bottom, you can get the data from iCloud instead. So for this one, you sign into your iCloud account and all of the data will be downloaded over. But if you use a cable, it can go by much faster. You will be asked to select what types of data you want to transfer over, so stuff like your applications, your contacts, messages, and after this is done, everything will become available on your Samsung smartphone. I hope I was able to help you on how to transfer data from iPhone 14 to Samsung S24 Ultra. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.